Hey everybody, welcome to Learn Billiards. I'm Mitty Oldman, your PBIA instructor. Alright, so here we are with a close-up of my Lucasi Custom Cue. I have to say it's an absolutely beautiful cue. The inlay work, I'll get a little close up, you can see a little bit better. It has inlays at the butt and also further up, you can see the points with the inlays. Now this Lucasi does not provide joint protectors, so as you can see, I have joint protector on there. I purchased that separately, so just a heads up, you know, they are beautiful cues. They play extremely well, so you won't be disappointed. All right, so let's take some shots with this cue. This is a Lucasi Custom Cue, unilock joint, multiple inlays, Irish linen wrap, Lucasi logo at the bottom. I showed you, well, I'll show you in the close-ups. So let's take some shots. Now normally I play with McDermott G-Core. That's the shaft on my McDermott. This Lucasi is supposed to be, it's a standard shaft, and it's supposed to be a low deflection shaft. The feeling of it is great. I absolutely can compare it to my McDermott, no problem whatsoever. I actually like the way, I mean, I love the design of it. That's what sold me on this cue. But yeah, I really like the shaft that's on here. Try a few different types of shots. Yeah, definitely. Awesome shaft. Great playing cue. Has a LaPro tip on here. I believe it's a medium tip. Definitely has a great feeling to it. Nice soft hit. I mean, it definitely, you don't feel no vibration coming through the shaft or into your hand. Plays extremely, extremely well. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make this my everyday cue. I definitely love the feeling of this cue. I have to say, Lucasi, you know, I've seen them. I shot with one probably about 15 years ago, but like I said, the craftsmanship that's in here, the finish on it, this lacquer finish, absolutely beautiful. Stainless steel joint up here. Remember, it has that unilock system. All right, so let's take a couple more shots. Get the feeling of this cue. Oh yeah, love the way it hits. I know I've said it a few times, but yes, absolutely. Plays really well. Beautiful, beautiful touch. And I like this tip that's on here. My McDermott that I normally play with, I have a Kamui black on there, medium. But I have to say, this LaPro tip, I really like the way it feels on this Lucasi cue. Yes, absolutely beautiful. All right, so a couple more shots. I love hitting with this cue, I have to say, really, really enjoy it. This cue retails for about $4.99, I believe is the manufacturer's suggested retail. You could probably pick it up for around $4.50. I have it on my website as well. And if you use the code TAKE10, you get an additional 10% off. And remember, all my cues ship free. So just go to learnbilliards.com, check out my whole product line. You find a cheaper advertised price, please email me and I'll match it or beat it. So again, excellent cue, well worth the money. I'm gonna so far, I really believe I'm going to be playing with this Lucasi versus my McDermott. I'm not knocking McDermott. I just like the way, for the price range, my cue that I currently play with is in the same price range as this one, and I'll be honest with you, I like the shaft better. It has a better feel to it, and I definitely love the design on it. The artwork is incredible. So trust me, you won't be disappointed. And I'll put a link to the Lucasi Cues in the description below, but also what model this is. This one is 2008. That's the actual model number, 2008. So you can check it out online. Like I said, everybody sells it, all the major suppliers, but nobody's going to be able to beat my price. So again, go ahead, check it out. You won't be disappointed. And again, if you have any questions about this cue, you want to know anything more, just send me an email. I'll be more than happy to help you. And again, absolutely beautiful cue. I'll bring it a little bit closer. Yes, absolutely beautiful. Excellent craftsmanship. And like I said, the feel that when you're making contact with the cue ball, awesome feel. So again, it's definitely not a starter cue, but if you've been playing a while and you want to upgrade, this is definitely, please consider a Lucasi cue. So I highly recommend it. And again, if you have any questions, just let me know.